Ruto ma en mino jatend piny Kenya William Ruto notelo nyasi mar yawo dag mbui motisi ni Jitume Digital Hub e skul nyiri ma Butere Girls e kaunti ma Kakamega. Mama Rachel ma bende ne osomo e skulno e higni machon ojiwo jopuonjre mondo omi omak motegno chenro mag lony manyasani e sombgi. Tend migawo mar tudruok Eliud Owalo korka kore to wacho ni nyaka sani giseyawo Jitume Digital Hub e skunde ma kwan gi romo 203 kendo jopuonjre ma kwan gi ohewo 4,000 oseyudo tiegruok.
It will enable you to learn and enhance your computer skills for general knowledge or for those who will take computer studies as an examinable course. This hub will also spare your parents the resources they would have spent on computer course fees when you complete school. The full implementation of the Jitume Digital Hubs project will spur a wave of digital jobs across the nation. As our president says, finya computer, upate dollar.
In the not too distant future, if we pursue this journey to a logical conclusion and go the full hog, we should be able, while leveraging on technology, to sort out the fundamental unemployment challenges that we have been facing in this country.
I see the great future that we have with the digital development, the economy. As I stand here today, I'm a judge, but I can tell you that I'm on duty. With being on duty because of the digital economy, I'm able to be here and attend to this platform, and at the same time check into my system on my phone